My name is So-jang, and I am not good at touching electronics, so my video will be very simple. Please understand me. And I am here to discuss about nature versus nurture debate. Nature is more like individual innate qualities, and nurture is personal experiences. And I found some interesting article of nature versus nurture. In this article, there were research to find out if our intelligence is due to nature or nurture. So they analyzed dozens of genes using large data sets that included intelligence testing as well as genetic information. So they analyzed, to test it, they tested, and the result the researchers got was there is typical gene associated with intelligence. But in my opinion, I do not think the intelligence of human is decided by genes. I'll tell you my experiences. When I was 13, I was in Singapore, and I was in New Zealand when I was 14. First, when I was in Singapore, their education style was very limited and strict, harder than Korean school. Therefore, in art class, I had no choice of drawing. All I can do was copying the example, and so I was not interested in art class and focused on mathematics. But later on, when I went to New Zealand, everything was slow and free. Ships everywhere, mountains everywhere. Their education style is very wide and free. In the art class, they would be like give us a topic and let us to do whatever we want. And I started loving it. I started love the art class, and I focused on art. And these days I am preparing for Artfolio board. I'm wanting to go to art college. If I did not have a chance to go to New Zealand, or had such environment like New Zealand gave to me, I wouldn't be able to go to art college. I'll be like, I don't know. I cannot imagine how I will be like. So I want to say nurture affects more on us, and we change depends how we are treated. Thank you.